Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use a output block with Terraform. Before that, I am making lot of videos with Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, AWS related stuff. I hope these videos are useful. If you find these videos are useful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share these videos to your circle. So this will make me happy and encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into the topic. So here I have the script. So in this script, I have a main.tf. So which is like a usually two security group and one instance which I have going to create, and a provider block and a variable block. And when it comes to output block, you can see that there is a format, so which we have to use like this. When it comes to output block, you have to use like a output, so that when you get this like format, so in the output you can give any kind of name, and inside the brace you have to declare these values. So there is a mandatory one which you have to define the value, and the sensitive description depends on, these are all not mandatory. You should specify this value so that it will consider for the output. Let's move into the topic here. We have an output block. There are four blocks I have created. You can see here EC2 instance public IP and private IP, S2 EC2 security group, AMI ID. These are your customized names. You can give whatever names. And when it comes to value, you have to define some format. So here you can see value, which output value you want to see. So for that, values equal to AWS instance. When it comes to that, you can see with the main.tf file. So you can see this main.tf file here, and AWS instance. I want to get the AWS instance, and the key is which is going to be the my EC2, my EC2 VM. This is the name, and then you have to give the key, which one, public IP. I want the public IP of EC2 instance once it's get created. So here I don't have a public IP argument, but I want that you can, where you can simply type output block in Terraform and go to here. Here you can see the output block format, and then you can see the arguments. What are the things you want? So when it comes to AWS, let's search AWS EC2 instance, and when it goes to AWS EC2 instance, Terraform arguments, you can see what are the arguments can be declared for your output block. You can give AMI, you can give availability zone. So these are the arguments. You can specify whatever you want. So when it comes to that, if you want AMI ID, you can specify with AWS instance dot the name of your AWS instance which you are giving with this Terraform block is my EC2-VM dot AMI ID. And so next you can see like here I'm giving AWS instance dot my EC2-VM. I want a security groups. So security groups I need. And then here I'm giving AMI, and here I'm giving public IP. Here I'm giving private IP. If you want instance type, you can create one more values equal to AWS instance dot myec2 hyphen vm dot instance type, so that it will display your instance type. Let's test that. Uh, so I'm giving Terraform plan. Once I give Terraform plan, it basically creating the plan. It is not going to apply anything. So you can see here there is a output block. Here you can see the sample values here. But once you give Terraform apply, the values will get created, which is on the console it is going to display. Here I don't have values which I not created. That's why I'm not getting here. Once when you give the Terraform apply, it will show that values. I hope this video is helpful. You can use the Terraform output block also. With that, you can create another resource. For that also, we are using output block. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.